Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Which school are you studying?
My school is Ideal English School.
Very good. Did you recite Wake Up Dua today?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite it now?
Yes, ma'am. Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Ma'am, I can recite dua while entering washroom.
Mashallah. Can you please?
Yes, ma'am. Bismillahumma inni a'udhu bika minal hubasi wal khaba'is.
Wow, great. Children, do you know the dua while coming out of toilet?
Yes, ma'am. Ghufranaka alhamdulillahilladzi adhhaba annil adha wa afani.
Okay. Did you recite dua while leaving home today?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please?
Yes, ma'am. Bismillahi tawakkaltu 'alallahi wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
Wow. Children, how do you come to school today?
I come to school by bus.
Okay. Did you recite dua while traveling?
Yes, ma'am. Subhanalladzi sakhkhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun.
Great. Children, which surah is known as the Ummul Quran of Holy Quran?
Suratul Fatiha.
Let's recite it together.
Yes, ma'am.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Mashallah. Okay, ma'am will recite some ayah in the surahs. Can you complete the balance portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Malikin Nas.
Ilahin nas min sharril waswasil khannas.
Lam ya-
Waswisu fi sudurin nas minal jinnati wan nas.
Lam yalid wa lam yulad.
Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab.
Ma agna anhu malahu wa ma kasab. Sayasla naran zata lahab. Wa imra'atuhu hammalatal hatab. Fi jidha hablum min masad.
Inna a'tainakal kautsar.
Fasalli lirabbika wanhar. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar.
Qul a'udzu birabbil falaq.
Min syarri ma khalaq. Wa min syarri hasikin idza waqab. Wa min syarri naffasati fil 'uqad. Wa min syarri hasikin idza hasad.
Okay, children, great. Do you know how to recite Ayatul Kursi?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
mashallah. Thank you, children.